Hello and welcome again to Super Teacher channel. In today's lesson I'm going to explain for you adding and subtracting polynomials. In the previous lesson we took how to what is polynomials and how to deal with polynomials and what are polynomials. So if you didn't watch that video, I will keep the link in the description box. So let's start, but before we start, if you didn't subscribe the channel, please subscribe and share it to your friends. Press like for me. Let's start. So add and subtract. Today we are going to take adding and subtracting polynomials only. Next lesson inshallah we are going to take dividing and multiplying polynomials. So add and subtract. Number 1, 3m cubed plus 8m cubed minus 3 plus m cubed minus 2m squared. So I'm going to add only the like terms. What are the like terms? Like terms means the same variables with the same degree. Let's see how. This is 3m cubed and this is 8m cubed. This is m, this is m, this is cubed, this is cubed. So it is like terms. This one is not like them because we don't have m cube. Here also we have m cube. So these three are like terms. This is not like term. You say why? Because this is m square, not m cube. Okay? Is it? It is m. Okay, but the degree is square, not the degree is 2, not 3. Or square, it's not cube, so I cannot add it with the rest of the m cube. Okay, so let's add 3 plus 8 plus 1. Here we have 1, but we don't put it. So 3 plus 8 is 11. 11 plus 1, it will be 12 m cube. Now we are done from these three. We have this one. This one, I will keep it the same. I will not do anything with this. And then I will take this down, minus 3. That's it. Easy? Okay, let's take another question. Number 2, 2pg minus p to the power 5 minus 12pg plus 5g minus 6p to the power 5. Same of the first question, that we are going to add the like terms together. Here we have pg and here we have pg, but take the sign with the number because this sign of this number. Here we don't have bg. Okay, so 2bg minus 12bg. 2 minus 12, if we have positive and negative, we subtract and we put the sign of the big number, so it will be negative 10pg. Okay, now what we have else? We have this one and this one. This is p to the power 5 and this is p to the power 5. So negative 1, here we have 1. Negative 1 with negative 6, negative with negative, we add and the sign is negative. Negative 7 p to the power 5. This one, we don't have any like terms with it, so I'll keep it down. That's it. I hope it was easy for you. Now, let's see another kind of questions with polynomials. That here it was horizontal. And here I'm going to write the question in vertical, as a vertical shape. Okay, so here they put for you the like terms under each other. Here we don't have anything, that means we don't have a like term, so I'm going to take the 3k squared together down. Now negative 2k plus k, here we have 1. Don't forget to put 1 if you don't know what is this. Okay, negative 2 plus 1, it will be negative 1k. So I'm going to write k only. We don't write 1k. We don't say 1 pen. If I want to give you a pen, I will not give you this is 1 pen. I will give you only, I will say for you, this is a pen, means 1 pen. If I want to give you a book, this is the book, or this is a book. I will not say this is 1 book. Okay? Plus 7 minus k minus 2, it will be plus 5. We subtract and we put the sign of the big number. Okay, let's see another kind. Here also vertical, but here we have minus. What is the difference between minus and plus? Plus we are going to keep the same signs. Here we didn't change any sign here, But here I'm going to change all the signs here, then I'm going to start solving. How? I will take this one first. This one I will not do anything with this. I will change the signs of this. It will be like this. Negative times negative. I will change all the signs because negative will change all the signs in the polynomial. It will be positive 4d square. Here will be minus 2dx. Here will be plus 8x. See, we change all the signs. Negative will be positive, positive will be negative, negative will be positive. Now I will add this polynomial with this polynomial. I'll put circle on this one with this one. By the way, this one is the same of this one, just I'm going to, because the minus is opposite of plus. Okay, let's add (12d square), and now we have plus. Okay, we change the negative to positive. 12d square plus 4d. Let me put like this. Okay, 12d square plus 4d, it will be 16d square. 3dx minus 2dx, it will be plus dx, 1dx, but I'm not going to write it. X plus 8x, it will be plus 9x. I hope that was easy for you. If it was not easy, just go back to the question again and watch it again. Okay, for the last question today, I'm going to give you the same question or similar to this question, but it will be not vertical, it will be horizontal. How we are going to solve it? Same thing. When we have minus, I'm going to change all the signs of all the second polynomial. I'll write the first polynomial the same, minus n square plus 2un cube. So this is positive, so it will be negative, minus 4un cube. Okay, this is positive, also will be negative, minus n square. This is negative, will be positive, plus 4un. Okay, this we call it the distributive property. Distributive property. So I'll give the negative to the 4, I give the negative 1 times positive 1, negative 1 times negative 1 will be positive. So now we can start to solve the question. Okay, I'm going to take the same term or like terms together, un with minus un. Here we have un, yes, this one. This 4un, so it will be un plus 4un. Do we have another un? No, so it will be 5un. Negative n square, this one with this one. Do we have another n square? No, negative n square. Negative n square, it will be negative 2n square. Because here we have 1 and here we have 1. Negative 1 with negative 1 will be negative 2. Last one is this one. Okay, and this one. un cube. So plus 2 minus 4, it will be, we subtract and put the sign of the big number, so it will be negative 2un cube. Okay, so I hope this lesson was easy for you. If you like, please share to your friends and press like, so the channel will be bigger and bigger. Thank you. Bye bye.